So, guys, you remember when I went to Rebecca's and I was looking for a bike, a workhorse actually. And we saw all these sorts of like bakkies which were too expensive. Do you remember that? And I told you guys which bike I wanted, and some of you have been saying like, "Yo, Magwala, you look happy inside that car." It's because it is not just a car to me; it's something that I always wanted since high school. But at a way back, as it was hell expensive. So guess what, guys? I finally got my workhorse. So last week I went and buy myself my childhood dream car, which is a Nissan 1400. I always wanted to have this car all my life. I even thought if I don't get it at a good condition, I'm gonna buy it and have a project car. You know, people have project cars, so this was gonna be my project car. But unfortunately, I got it in a good condition. It came with everything that you see on it. So this one, it's my. Not that we buy cars, it's my. It even have Makwala stickers at the back. So guys, we finally got the workhorse. Now my Polo can relax. Those who want to say congratulations, the petrol. Please send me petrol money. My number is on the bio. You can send through that number if you want Capitec or whatever. If you want my account number, you can give me a call, or you can just send me through my YouTube on the think what or become a member. But guys, yeah, man, we got the car finally. Drove it from Ranfontein to my village in Limpopo. It's around like 400 and something kilometers. But it made it. It actually made it. So it's still in a good condition. Yeah, I'm gonna be driving this car now. I didn't sell my Polo. It's still there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be driving this one regularly now.
I know. We are still on our way. We're still rolling. Nissan 1400. All the way from Ranfontein to Botowa. It's about 300 and something kilometers. Now we're on it. We're now left with 100 and something. No, we're not on it. We're on it. So we're talking about someone now. Speed man, 120.
It's my everyday car. So those who've been following the channel, yeah, this is my new car. Yeah, I'm really excited about it, guys. I love this car. This is like a dream come true to me, man. I always wanted this car. I don't care about the Ford Rangers, the Amaroks, the Hilux GD6, whatever. This is the first one. So from this one, we're going to Legend 50 now. So that's my second dream car. So from this one, I'm going to Legend 50. Tango.